let's talk a bit more about career. So when you talk about career, you also have to look at the number of jobs. You see, many people just take a look at the title of the job and that's it. But if you actually go a bit deeper, try to see what is the company, how old is their data science work which they are doing, then you will understand more nuanced information. You see, number of jobs is a very important indicator which helps us understand how should we approach. Now, let me just give an sports example. Let's say I'm interested in sports. Let's say I'm very interested in golf and I see Tiger Woods playing and it's like I become super impressed with his skills, his stamina, with his, consistency, everything. Okay. So a person who is in the top of the field is a great source for inspiration. But if you aspire to become that person in the beginning, it's impossible. You see, role models, people who are legends in a field, they are great for inspiration. But when we aspire to become them, it takes at least however time it took them. They didn't become great as is. It took them time 10, 20, 30 years. So, a person who has just begun, someone who has not even 1 year of time into investing into learning skills, if they are aspiring to become someone like Tiger Woods or maybe Andrew Ng in the field of data science at the beginning of their career, that is an unrealistic goal. So you see, I'm not saying it is impossible. All I am saying is it is impossible to do it immediately. It takes time. So you see, when we talk about career, there is one important thing to know. People who lead the entire field of anything, they are generally researchers in that field. They are pushing the boundary of the knowledge of that field. They are doing things which no one even thought were possible. They are improving things which no one even know were there. So researchers are constantly pushing the boundary of the knowledge of possibilities. Whereas industry is actually making those possibilities reality. Research is all about possibilities. Industry is about picking a possibility and making it a reality. And the number of jobs in industry is a lot more than number of jobs in research. That is one key point. And second key point, the complexity of the knowledge required in research is a lot more complex than industry. You see, what happens is because people get inspired because of a top figure, they actually immediately aspire to become them, and then they walk on the path of everything which that person says is must. What is missing is delta of time. You see, a person who is 20 years experienced, his advice, probably his or her advice, is going to be catered for someone in a similar time of experience, or maybe someone 5 years younger to their experience, not someone who has just begun their experience. So the mistake in the beginning is attempting to learn too many complex of things, whereas it is application, it is the possibility, making possibility a reality. This is what industry is about, and this is what most of the jobs are about, and this is what everyone should be aiming. If you are not clear about what you want to do, if you know you are interested in hardcore research, then directly go on that path. For many people, research is the path which is a default path. Why? Because they are following footsteps of a top researcher in the field. So you see, adjusting according to where you are in time is also important, and this is what should hopefully clears up few doubts you might have in before you start your journey. So in next lecture, we'll talk about different backgrounds which are needed in data science.